LED hand lamp, Eagle, 24 voltage AC 36 watt. Model, Eagle, LED hand lamp, Eagle, 24 voltage AC 36 watt. Hand lamps are used in maintenance, safety operations, emergency operations. In this application's 100% reliability is anticipated. Eagle hand lamp provides the same. MIDC LED hand lamp is useful in emergency situations, maintenance, inspection, safety and production purpose. Highly reliable product designed and manufactured in-house for more strict quality control, which is expected to work minimum 10 years. The strong and light-weighted aluminum extruded body, translucent unbreakable polycarbonate glowing part makes the MIDC hand lamp a suitable fit for a variety of conditions. 10 years minimum life and 10 years service warranty. 36 watt, 3600 lumens. Aluminium extruded body, strong aluminium handle, protective wire mesh, IP66 weather protection. As per as 10322, Part 5, Section 6, 2013. Hand lamp, inspection lamp, safety lamp. Manufactured by Steam Airetric Controls.